Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Eco Eating, where I share the best tips about eating and living sustainably. Today I'm so excited to share with you my favorite pizza dough recipe so you can make your own pizza right at home. It only takes 5 ingredients and turns out delicious. Let's get started. You'll need 3 1/4 cups of flour, 1½ teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1½ teaspoon of quick rise instant yeast, and 1½ cup of lukewarm water. You can start by placing all your dry ingredients in a bowl. Now go ahead and mix them all together until it's uniform. Next, you'll add about ½ a cup of water. Make sure it's lukewarm so that the yeast is activated. Gradually add another ½ cup and continue mixing until the majority of the flour begins to stick together. Your dough will begin to look like this. Now you can get rid of your spoon. It's time to start kneading. Be sure to gather all the excess flour at the bottom and mix it together. You will notice that the flour is pretty sticky, so you can go ahead and use some extra dry white flour or some oil too if that helps. The easiest way I like to knead is by bringing the outer edges of the dough inwards. You want to knead for about 5 minutes. Next, take your dough, place it back into the bowl. Cover it with a cloth and leave it in somewhere where it's dry and warm for minimum an hour, maximum to 4 hours. The longer you wait, the better your dough will be. You'll notice your dough is good when it has doubled in size. You can go ahead and cut it into 3 portions. Take your first portion, sprinkle some flour on it, and you can begin by just pressing on it until it forms like a round shape. Go ahead and grab your rolling pin. The easiest way I like to roll my pizza dough is by taking my rolling pin from the center of the pizza dough to the outwards. So this way your pizza dough won't shrink back and it'll continue expanding. You want to continue rolling until your pizza is about 12 inches in diameter and about 1 inch in thickness. After your pizza has formed to your desired size, you can go ahead and place it on a pizza tray and add any type of sauce you like. Add some cheese, an assortment of veggies. I like to use bell peppers and onions. You can place your pizza in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 to 12 minutes or until your cheese starts to turn golden brown. You'll notice your pizza comes out delicious and crispy, yet soft and flavorful. Hope you learned something new today. Let me know in the comment section below how your pizza turned out. Give this video a like and hit the subscribe button for more. Thanks for watching.